Hey guys, मैं ऋषभ. Today we are going to continue with free fall acceleration topic and with a new question or a situation. Let's write the topic. Free fall acceleration. Last time we have talked about on a situation where body is in a free fall situation, but in this new situation we are going to we have a situation on some kind of tossing, like if a man, or I can directly write a question that a man tosses up a ball along y-axis with initial speed of 12 meters per second. So we need to find, first of all, how long does it take? Does the ball take to reach its max height or maximum height? So let's imagine a situation with a man. I have a very rough kind of drawing situation. I'm not expert on drawing, but I will try. Let's have a man with a cap and he's throwing up a ball release and it return. So this is a rough diagram, and we have to find that we have to understand the situation first. What exactly happening here? So at this point v equal to 0, and at this point y equal to 0, and so yeah, so here a is equal to g minus g, and speed decreases and when speed decreases, when it goes up, and velocity become less positive, and after the ball achieves its maximum height. So in descending, negative, and speed will increases, and velocity will become more negative. So how I'm saying that when ball is going up, the velocity will become less positive, and after when it is on the returning path and velocity become more negative. Let's understand with a little I can say my creation that let's create a x plane, or x is equal to v plane, and here v equal to 0, and here v equal to v, and here v equal to negative v. So at starting with 12 meter per second, and it goes up to v equal to 0, and after that it goes more negative. So in this way you can understand how the velocity is becoming less positive to more negative. So once the ball leaves the man's hand and before it returns to his hand, its acceleration is like free fall acceleration. So when the ball leaves his hand, its acceleration becomes like a free fall acceleration, and velocity at we can say at height v, at height maximum height, sorry, at maximum height, this is the maximum height, it becomes 0, and so knowing v, we have v, a, we have also a, and the initial velocity which is v not equal to 12 meter per second. So and we have to find time. So first we have to find time. So how we can what the equation we are going to apply here? We are going to apply v equal to at plus v naught, because this equation have all the components which we needs. So when we rearrange it, we can say t equal to p minus v naught upon a. So that implies t equals, we have v means at a starting point v initial final, we have v tends to final velocity, v naught tends to initial velocity. So we have final velocity is 0 and initial velocity is 12 meter per second, and we have also acceleration, which is negative 9.8 meter per second square, which will give 1.2 second. Moving on. Moving on, we have to find the maximum height. We are actually finding maximum height at starting. So you can say maximum. This is a short form of maximum. HEIGST height. So we can take ball, release at a point y0. Here, this can be y0 because it is an initial position, and so after using the equation we can use for finding the height, maximum height, we are using equation v square is equal to v0 square upon plus 2g y minus y0. Here this is the displacement, and which we can say total height. So it will become y minus y0 equal to y, and also b equal to 0, because at maximum height b equal to 0. So after rearranging the equation, v square is equal to v0 square plus 2g y, and we can say y equal to v square minus v0 square after rearranging it upon 2g. So here we can say y equal to 0, v equal to 0 minus 12 meter per second whole square upon 2 into minus 9.8 meter per second square, which will give us 7.3 meter to y. So next we need to find how long does the ball take. There is another question, or we can say situation, that we can say question B. How long does the ball take to reach 5 meter above it release point? So here the solution will be, here we know about v0, we know about a minus g, and we will also know about y equal to y0 equal to 5 meter. We need to find and t equal to, we need to find time. So here we can use the equation y minus y0 equal to v0 t minus half gt square. here y minus y naught equal to y, so we can say y equal to v naught t minus half gt square. So after putting all the value, values, we can say that the y is equal to 5 meter and v naught equal to 12 into t minus half into 9.8 and t square. So it implies 5 meter equal to 12 into t minus 4.9 t square. After rearranging it, replacing 4.9 t square minus 12t plus 5 is we are not using plus 5 only, equal to 0. So here after solving this quadratic equation, we can find t. So I'm going to leave this question here. I need you to find the value of t, because whoever is watching and have interest, so I will tell you the answer in next video. So try it, and if you have the answer, please comment it on the comments. Thank you.